Hello, sir. How are you? You know, it's starting to rain. You should probably get inside. It's getting a little... in some moisture from the sky. Hey, bud. Guys, you too. I know you guys like to rascal around and stuff out here, but it's starting to rain, so you guys should probably go ahead and get some shelter. You ignoring me? What's going on here? Well, you know, that's kind of rude. I'm just trying to tell you guys to get. I'm just letting you know it's starting to rain. Man, some people. Just remember to get on inside there, bud. Okay? Yeah. I just came back out here to tell you guys it's starting to really pick up some force here, guys. You should probably, I don't know, go home or something, because you know it's starting to rain. I don't know if you knew, but yeah, you too, bud. I don't know what you guys are planning, but it's starting to rain. Huh. Guys, I don't know what your deal is here, but I don't want you guys getting sick, so you better, like, you gotta just go inside, guys. I don't know what the deal. What? Now you're bringing your friends out. What? It's getting kind of ridiculous here, guys. So I don't know what your deal is, but I'm getting kind of miffed. And what? I see you back there. Buddy, you're supposed to get inside the house, not on the side of the house. What the? I was gonna offer you guys some ramen, because I was about to make some, but since you're deciding to be such total dickheads and starting to ignore me, I'm thinking maybe not. Okay, guys, I don't know what your deal is, but I got my jacket on now, because it's really starting to come down, and it's getting dangerous out here, okay? What the heck? I know we got off on the wrong foot, but this is ridiculous, you know? You too. Especially you there, bud. What the heck? Huh? Did you say something? Yeah, that's what I thought. Always the quiet types now, aren't you? It's getting kind of ridiculous here, guys. You know what? I was about to say the F word. But I stopped myself because I'm a good person. I'm just trying to be a good Samaritan, but these idiots, these miscreants just won't. I just don't want him to get sick, guys. Look at him out there. This is ridiculous. Alright here, guys, I didn't want to have to do this, but you made me get my beaten frisbee. Alright, I don't want to use it. I really don't. I don't want to use it. But I see, I didn't want to have to do that. But I have no choice. Ready to get inside, bud? Huh? Got a big ass hand on you. Damn. Right, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys one more chance. I'm gonna go inside and expect you guys to follow me. You got it? Huh? What about you, bud? Huh? I didn't hear a yes from any of yous. Alright, now this has gone too far. You made me lose my frisbee. What? See? Look at that shit. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't want to have to use the SH word. I'm gonna have to go get that, aren't I? Crap. Alright, I got my stick here to get the frisbee. Ah, dang it. Got it. Oh! Now, I got my frisbee. Have you guys learned a lesson? Huh? Huh? What are you guys wearing? I wasn't gonna say anything, but I don't think I've ever seen that. Wait a second. Hold on a minute. Son of a bitch, these are trees.